Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to be talking about how to breed pandas. Now, the place that you'd find them normally would be either in a jungle or a bamboo forest where there is bamboo growing naturally. You will typically find them. And the way that you would normally breed animals is you would feed them some of their favorite snack, and they would immediately go into lovey-dovey mode, do the horizontal mambo by touching noses together, and then spit out a smaller baby. Unfortunately, pandas are a little bit different, and they need to be within a certain number of bamboo blocks in order for their breeding mechanism to kick in. So it's a good idea when you have them in their natural habitat that's surrounded by a whole boatload of bamboo to just breed them where they're at. If not, you can just grab some bamboo, grab a stack of it if you're in Java, or some bamboo sprouts and some bone meal if you're in Bedrock, and then once they're within at least 8 blocks of bamboo that is growing, they should do the horizontal mambo just fine once you feed them, and they'll spit out a cute little panda cub. Now, pandas come in several different varieties. They have aggressive, lazy, worried, playful, weak, or brown pandas. And depending on what traits they have and what you breed them together, certain traits may end up being more dominant in their offspring. The dominant traits are normal pandas, aggressive pandas, lazy pandas, worried pandas, and playful pandas, with weak and brown pandas being the more rare variety that you won't see nearly as often. So yeah, that's the whole thing with pandas. You just gotta breed them next to some bamboo and feed them some bamboo, and they'll be happy. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one. Oh yeah, I should also mention, before we leave, that pandas are kind of a pain in the butt in order to take with you different places. You cannot place them in a lead, and they're a bit too big to put inside of a boat, so you're pretty much just stuck having them follow you around while you lure them with a sprig of bamboo. They're very food-oriented, like most animals inside of this game. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.